No Spend November, day 9. I started my day with my visual to-do list. It's whites, floors, and grocery and meal plan day. I note what I have to use from the fridge, then I go through my flyers. Then I check my apps for rewards and offers I can use this week and make a plan. I have an offer to redeem $300 in PC Optimum points and earn $60 back when I use PC Express. So since I traditionally try to stick to about $150 a week, I planned out 2 weeks of groceries and placed an order for PC Express delivery. It'll get here tomorrow. You can redeem your points right on the PC Express app now, so I did that. I'll get my groceries for free. Then I took $20 from the Cash Dash because there's a new loyalty program on the Too Good To Go app. I wanted to surprise the boys, and I also redeemed 7-Eleven points for some free Slurpees and stars for a free coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome. You're welcome, Hubby. Finish up the chores. I've learned I don't have to fold the fitted sheet if it goes straight from the dryer to the bed. I made a simple pork and veggie pilaf for dinner, and at the end of the day, $0 was spent from my account. Follow for more.